This video, I'm going to explain how to use Discovery Education to complete your research project. To use Discovery Education, we first need to go to discoveryeducation.com. In the upper right-hand corner, click on the blue login button. When you do this, you will be using your Google account. Click Google Sign In. When you reach the main page of Discovery Education, it will look different than my page. But at the top, there's a search bar. Click on the search bar and search your topic. In this case, I'm interested in the Gettysburg Address. You can see that it fills in information. What we have here is 1,605 results for the Gettysburg Address. We can filter this by grade level. We now have 582 results. On the left-hand side are additional filters that we can use. At the top, below the grade level, you have types. If I'm interested in watching videos on the Gettysburg Address, I click Videos. Here's a 2-minute and 21-second video on Gettysburg National Cemetery. Here is an image of Abraham Lincoln at the time of the Gettysburg Address. If I'm interested in using this image as a note card, I click on the image, and you can see that I can download it right here. Additionally, there are different citations. We are using the APA citation. This would be the citation link that you would copy and paste into Noodle Tools.